Hello guys, I'm Diwakar, a recent graduate from BMSIT, and today I'm going to talk about something a lot of college students dream of: how to make money being in college. By following these steps, you would be able to pay your college fees in the best case, but in the worst case, still you will be able to get the financial freedom from buying things which you like: shoes, clothes, food, etc. This would act as additional pocket money that you will be getting in your college life. In my college life, I have earned over 3.18 lakhs in just 3 years. I'll be sharing a list of ways through which you will be able to earn, which I tried them personally. First on the list is internship. This is the most reliable way through which you can make money as a student. I have done it multiple times. It just not helped me in earning money and building skills, but also added weightage to my resume. You can check out platforms like LinkedIn, Internshala, etc. to get paid internships. But the only prerequisite is that you should have the basic skill in that field. This is another option that pays you well in your college life. Again, you need to have some skills to showcase, whether it could be graphic design, digital marketing, app or web development, video editing, content writing, etc. The advantage of freelancing is that you can do it anytime, whenever you are free. There are platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, but personally I haven't used them. I had some good connects that helped me to get clients directly to me. Third on our list is YouTube. It's a fantastic way to make money. I have been creating content on YouTube over 5 years now, and I have earned good amount of money through it. Just start creating content in whichever field you are passionate and have knowledge about. The only thing is that you won't be able to make money initially, but once you get consistent over a period, you will be earning huge money and take up this as your career path. This increases your online presence and open up more sources of generating revenue. Next on our list is content writing. See, there isn't much money in this right now, but if you're good at it, you can give it a shot. Personally, I don't recommend it now. You can put your post on Blogger or create a site yourself using WordPress. Fifth on our list is affiliate marketing. This is one of the craziest ways to earn money if you have online presence or following. If you have any blogs, YouTube channel, Instagram page or any other means, you can make great amount from this. All you need is to promote the product and drop link in the description box. That's it. Basically, you will be earning commission from Amazon, Flipkart or any other brand when a user buys a product from your link. So let me give you an example. If someone buys a laptop worth more than 50,000 from your link on Amazon, you will be earning around 2 to 2.5 thousand. Isn't that crazy? I have personally made so much money from this, and the efforts that you will be putting in is so less. Next on our list is investments. You can invest in stocks, mutual funds, crypto, etc. I don't want to go in depth in this. There are tons of videos on YouTube that you can check out. But don't invest on anything until you have good knowledge on them. Next on our list is project competitions and hackathons. See, if you are good at building projects, coding, innovation, etc., then do give a shot in these competitions. This would give you recognition, fame, and prize money. This is a fantastic way to showcase your skills. Just keep an eye on the competitions going around and utilize the opportunity. Coming to the next point, my personal favorite, startups. If you have a right idea and solid plan, then don't wait to start it. A bootstrap startup would help you create a product or service without any funding. If it works out, you'll be earning huge money, and if not, you'll be gaining the invaluable experience in that field and probably get a job in that field. Don't be scared to start this out. Contact your college incubation center. They'll be always ready to help you out. Next on the list is sponsorship. If you have good social media presence, as I said earlier, this would unlock so many opportunities to earn money. In 2022, all my videos were getting more than 5k views, and multiple brands have approached me. So your content speaks for you. As I remember, I only approached one brand in 2020. That was a phone case related brand, and that's the story from some other video. Last but not the least, if you have good following, then you can make quick cash from referral campaigns. I know this is not the professional way to earn money, but I can say this is the easiest way in which one can earn money. There are few additional ways like tutoring and making online courses in whichever field you have good expertise. Again, don't simply do this unless you have expertise in that field, and charge only if you are providing a good value to the consumer. So these were few ways in which you can earn money in your college life. But there are so many other opportunities that will be coming, so don't miss out on any opportunities. Remember, the key is to balance your studies and your hustle. You are going to college to learn, not to earn money. So do focus on studies as well. Trust me, if I can do this, so do you. If you find this video valuable, then don't forget to drop a like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on personal development, tech, money management as a student. See you in the next one.